Hello everyone, first click on start. After this you can click on the setting for a Radmin server. New window will pop up. Click on permissions. Again click on permissions and you can see the old user. You can remove that. Remove user. Now you can add user. Type your username. Now type your password. Now confirm your password and after this you can click on OK. Now you should give required rights. I am giving all access. And click on OK and click on OK and exit. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.